So in this recipe, we're going to fry the tuna. So this is a wild caught tuna and it's frozen. If it's fresh, you don't have to cook that much. You just flash fry and eat it. If it's medium to rare, it's amazing. But here we're going to fully cook it. So it's around 500 gram of wild caught tuna, frozen. I'm using the frozen one, so cut into cubes. When it's semi-frozen, it's easy to cut into cubes. And now I'm going to put the powdered spices. I'm adding turmeric, quarter teaspoon, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, salt around quarter of a teaspoon. And now adding nice red Kashmiri red chili, the degi mirch we can call. One heap of teaspoon should be enough. Now I'm going to mix it up. Alright, mix it up. So why I'm doing this recipe like using frozen ones? There is no harm in using freshly frozen produce unless it is not treated in a chemical way. So this is good enough, and it's a way of preserving. So you don't overfish the fish. So when the fish is in good season, you fish it, and then if there is less demand, you can freeze it. That's what the big companies do. And when it's in an ethical way, we should support. So there's no harm in using frozen ones. To ensure the oil is hot, I'm just using a fried oil. So that's why the color like red. And take the tuna, how much you want to put it in one step, like around a handful.